Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Homabay. Yes. Huh? Babu wapi maradi? So I'm putting on a life jacket here. And most of those will see life jacket. We are going. So let me put on this one. Yes. There's the lake, guys. Here's the lake, guys. Oh, go ahead. So right now we are ready to go, guys. Now you can see those who are watching me from Makweni. Yeah. Oh. Yes. Guys, the waves are getting. So here we are enjoying the ride, guys. Yes. Leo hakuna ile ya passenger. Ile ya passenger. Oh. So niliona ingekuwa watu. So guys, the other end you can be able to see the island there, and this area here, this wale ari bomo ile nyumba liko hapo. There was a building there. If you watch the other of my video, there was a building there, and now they are doing some construction. You can see some structures there over there, and that is Homabay Town, the other end. So right now we are just rolling. We are on water, guys. Yes, this is our photo guy. Say hi. Yeah. So when you come to Homabay and you need a photo guy, you can also contact him, and you'll get the best pictures. You can just say your number so that whoever comes to Homabay can.
Okay, my number is 0719 499 374
374. Amek. So when you get to Homabay for tours, this is a place you can also come for tour, guys, and enjoy the lake, guys. So the other end, that's the town, guys. That's the town, and we are from that corner there. So if you watch there keenly, you can see some people are there, and also there are some birds. You can see some white birds there, and there's a hill on the other end. So this is generally Homabay County. In Homabay County, the lake region, you can visit. Hey guys, you can see those ones there. Yeah, and there are other more as you go more on the other side. Yes, so this is Homabay. And after this, I'm also taking you to town so that you'll be able to see whatever is happening on the other area.
Oh. Look at that! Look at that! Look at that!
So I want to take some photos, guys.
We are going to
yes.
After having a ride.
Should I sit like this?
This is Homabay County. The county.
I just need one for my.
I love this place. I was born and bred near the Lake Victoria shores. There is a place in Victoria called Gulf Chola. The island is called Aneko. So I'm used to these large water shores, and I love the fishing and the fishermen that are working around here because they are getting us a lot of food, they are giving us a lot of money, and you know that is our life. So when you come to the lake, you realize that there are a lot of activities that can take place here apart from fishing.
You go a landscape for support, mate?
I believe. Look at this, you can see the water is so dirty. And we will establish
Nini,
the
landscape
fact
or
why
portrait?
this water is
How about a
so
landscape?
I will talk to the fishermen around here. I will talk to the people that live around here so that they can tell us the reason as to why this water is fucking that.
Upper.
Hi.
Hi guys, how you doing? I'm trying to get a position so that I can take some photos here.
Oh, nice, nice. That is my friend. He's
Yes.
having his YouTube channel. You can follow him at Homabay
Town.
channel. The DSC is a place where we are going to grow as youths. The DSC is a place that we are going to grow as, as a
So we are having a
unit.
right place.
We have people that understand. We have people that coordinates and collaborates.
Umenda ya 200. So here guys, we were really enjoying and they stopped riding the boat and we thought the fuel was over. So, and we were having just a little conversation in the boat as we were waiting to get back to the show, guys. So it was really enjoyable. Fuel room. Pigini sana lele manare. Yeah? Ewi mata. So we had a ride, guys, for 300. The ride is 300 shillings. Yeah, boat ride up to the place we have gone far back there. So it's affordable, and you can also get for 200. So we took the one for 300. So that's what we were trying to discuss with him, because it's like the drive is over and we are getting back, guys, to the show. You can see we are just close to the show. We are getting back. Oh? Eh? So it's going to land, guys, and we are going on a very high speed here. See, we are just landing back, guys, to the place. Wow. Oh, karibu gini ka. Hey. So let's get out, guys. Be me a number me ore pesa. So we are back, guys. We need to remove these things also. Remove these things. Hey. Gigi. Ena torwako to onyalo float. Donje pi.
Konyal donje pi. Float mali bi yudi ayoda.
Oh.
Dana kama gene ke baaj mar.
Awinjo ni aneno ni samoro gin light ahinya. So guys, we just had our ride.
Nyume. Nanga. Kono dokala pogo.
Come and show the metallic thing that is put inside the water.
The hand canal. Called Nanga. Nani nyume ipi? Ano nyume kang motimore. It's like a frame.
Mapimo pika. Moko bio lwatiyo ko. Yeni ka giko kanye magirani kiyo.
So this thing is used Jaluo. Wawinjo maber, Jomo kinya winjo en mana jok ma. So this thing here, guys, we are saying using especially fishing. they put it inside the water so that the boat doesn't go.
So that
Stay stationary.
back of the boat.
That's how it is.
Research.
Yeah.
Researchers. They want to
So this is what they use whenever they are inside the water, the lake. Yeah. So please, if you are watching this channel for the first time, make sure you subscribe, click the notification bell so that whenever we upload new videos, you get notified on the new videos. And please make sure you leave a comment there on the comment section. Please like the video, and let's meet on the next video. Bye bye. Guys, this is the water bus just approaching while we are still here.
So guys, this is the water bus just approaching right now. This water bus actually came when we were just about to leave the place, and we had to stay and see how people are landing and other people are taking off, you know. Yeah, so this is actually just the temporary station for the water bus, and the other end they are trying to construct some areas where people will be able to board water bus and ferries in a very conducive manner, in a place that is very good, and the construction is actually going on. And guys, I tell you that Homabay Town is changing. If you are in Homabay Town 2 years ago, 1 year ago, man, you need to come back to the place, because the place is actually changing. It's changing and changing and changing, and new buildings are coming up, you know. Yeah, the town is becoming more beautiful, you know. Yes, so this was just the water bus, and it came when we were about to leave, so I decided also to show you what's happened and how water bus looks like. You see, it's written water bus, and you can see people are getting out from the water bus, and this is what normally happens here at the lake region. It's Lake Victoria. Yes, so please, if this is your first time on the channel, please make sure you subscribe, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure that you subscribe also to the channel, guys. You know, yeah, see the parks around, see the lake. Yeah. It's actually in the evening, and it's darkness is approaching, but you can be able to see the water, you know. Yeah, there are a lot of algae actually to the shore, and if you look around, you can see the water is kind of greenish. Yeah, this one is those ones are algae. Those are the things that fish do eat here in the lake. Yes, so let's see how people are getting out. Yeah, and there are also people here on the other side. These are other people who are waiting to get into the boat. Some are going to the islands that are within the lake, and others are going up to Kisumu. Yeah, so this is the landing site, actually a temporary landing site. There's a place that is being constructed on the other end. It's a temporary landing site. Water bus. You can see it's not so much good, yeah, but they are constructing another place that is very, very good, way more better than this place. Earlier we used to go to the other end where they are constructing the, I don't know how to call it, but the governor said they are constructing a place there where you could go inside, like it's kind of an extension from the land inside the sea, you know, inside the lake, where you get from the land and you walk just on foot up to the shore of the lake. Yeah, inside a bit, some distance, you know. Yeah, so they are actually constructing that place. There was a house there. It was actually demolished because of the construction that was going on in the area. So they brought all the ships all the boats and the water bus. This side, that is where they are landing. So anybody who wants to board at the water bus, if you come to Homabay, just ask. Actually directed. Yes, so that you get also to board the water bus and enjoy the lake. Yes. So thank you so much for watching this video. If this is your first time on the channel, please make sure you subscribe. For the returning subscribers, I want to thank you so much, and let's meet on the next. And please make sure you subscribe, and goodbye. Thank you for watching the video, guys.